ICI Homes. I'm Kelly Nowak, your On Your Land specialist here in Northeast Florida. And today I am so excited to share with you our Charlotte floor plan. This is an 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful floor plan. It's perfect, and we're gonna take a look. So as you come up to the front, this is going to have a really cute front porch. It has the dormer windows up top, and it is just a really great size floor plan for, you have 2 bedrooms that are secondary spaces, so it's nice if you have guests visiting, for the empty nester, for families just starting, or for anybody really. Come on in. As you enter, you have these beautiful 12-foot ceilings with a tray. So this will give you that nice grand feel. And then if this is starting to look a little familiar to you, it is. And I'm going to share with you what floor plan you might think this is. So you'll have 2 bedrooms that are nice size and a shared bathroom and linen closets. And then you got to see the main living area. It is so fantastic. I absolutely love it. We did create a 12-foot ceiling here, but look at this. This is going to be the ultimate kitchen, living room, and you have a little dining nook. Now this is the alternate for the Charlotte. So this adds about 300 square feet, so it's a little bit different than our standard. We also added the 12-foot ceilings, but this living area is so fantastic. And then with all the natural light, and it opens out to your extended demise. So if you want to have that outdoor space, if you have a beautiful view like a riverfront view, which we seem to be building a lot on with On Your Land, we have a lot of riverfront, but I want to show you the owner suite just because it is so fantastic. And I love it. And one of the really great things about this home that we're showcasing, this is a lot of our included features for On Your Land, which is really nice. You'll have the 10-foot ceilings, you have the 8-foot doors. This flooring is one of our included flooring, so you have a lot of really great options. But as you're in the owner suite, and then it kind of flows into your owner's bathroom, and it's a nice size closet, a nice shower, and you'll have the double vanity sinks. So we also have beyond the bedroom, beyond the kitchen will be your garage and your entryway, pantry. But this is a really great, comfortable floor plan that we can build on your land. And part of ICI Homes' secret sauce is being able to customize. So I am here to help you with my partner, Emily Mowry. We are here to help you, join you in the journey, and build your dream home on your land. So give us a call today so we can start making your dream a reality. Bye.